Thinking questions are essential tools used by teachers to develop deep comprehension, pushing far past simple, basic recall. When a classroom relies too heavily on simple, rapid-fire questioning, it creates a systemic barrier to learning. Students often recite isolated facts correctly, yet struggle to explain why those facts matter. This focus on speed leaves the space for deeper meaning empty. This environment generates high activity and fast answers, which can give the dangerous illusion of mastery, while actual comprehension remains low. Breaking this cycle requires a structural change in how a teacher approaches the act of questioning. The practice must move from simply auditing a student's memory to actively challenging their intellect. These questions must explicitly require students to explain their logical reasoning and apply concepts to new scenarios. This shift forces students to grapple with the material and think deeply about the mechanics of the subject. Moving from recall to inquiry replaces the memory test with a requirement for interconnected logic. The teacher serves as the architect of this inquiry process. First, the teacher asks open or extended questions. These have multiple valid entry points and require more than a single word to answer. Second, the teacher deliberately pauses, providing a specific window for students to process information. Third, they build questions sequentially, starting with simple facts to establish a baseline, then ramping up complexity to demand analysis. Finally, they prioritize understanding over response time. These 4 actions systematically remove the pressure of speed. In its place, they install a rigorous demand for sound logic. Changed teacher inputs produce different student behaviors. Students begin to pause and construct their thoughts. They explain their ideas aloud, detailing reasoning behind conclusions. They also start to make clear connections between new concepts and previous lessons. In this environment, students deliver long, extended responses instead of rapid, one-word replies. Their verbal answers show step-by-step reasoning. This makes their internal thought processes visible to everyone in the room. A successful inquiry classroom is measured by the visible, structured depth of student reasoning. This process often fails due to specific mechanical mistakes in implementation. One common error is asking questions that are too broad, which leaves students without a clear logical focus. Another is reverting to the habit of expecting immediate answers. This cuts off the processing time necessary for deep thought. Teachers also fail when they skip scaffolding. Attempting complex analysis before building foundational facts causes immediate frustration. These errors cause the cognitive process to collapse. The lack of structure bypasses reasoning entirely, forcing students to revert to guessing or silence. Thinking questions are specific tools used to change how students process information. They are effective only when students are required to explain and develop their ideas. This requirement to articulate a rationale is the primary way true understanding is built. Ultimately, teachers build true understanding by actively engineering the deep, rigorous thinking required to reach a complex answer.